today's topic is data security and privacy. Data security and privacy are essential in customer and data management CDM. Here are some practices that can be help ensure data security and privacy in CDM. Data governance. Establish guidances for how data is collected, stored and managed. This helps ensure data is protected from unauthorized access and misuse, and that it aligns with regulatory requirement. Access control. Implement access control to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data. This can help reduce the risk of the left data and other from fraudulent activities. Regular security audits. Conduct regular security audits to help ensure data security. Encryption. Use encryption to help secure sensitive data. Data backup. Backup data as frequently as possible to prevent it from being permanently lost. Privacy policies. Have transparent privacy policies to signal your commitment to safeguarding customer data. Regularity compliance. Comply with data protection regulation like GDPR and HIPAA to avoid fines and maintain customer trust. Incident response training. Prioritize incident responses training to help our organization respond to cyber threats and maintains customer trust. Data security and privacy are essential in clinical data management to protect sensitive patient information from cyber threats and ensure compliance with regulation. Security storage, transmission and access. CDM system should ensure the data securely stored, transmitted and only accessible to authorized users. Encryption and audit trails. Data encryption and audit trails are essential to maintain data security and privacy. Data governance policies establish guidelines for how data is collected, stored and managed to minimize risk and promote data integrity. Compliance with regulation. Comply with data protection regulation like GDPR, transparent privacy policy, signal commitment to safeguarding customer data. De-identification process. Use de-identification processes to preserve privacy. For example, avoid using a patient medical records number or social security number in the person table. Connected devices. Ensure that connected devices are connected to a separate network and use strong authentication. Here are some examples of data security and privacy in customer data management, CDM and clinical data management. Access control. Limit access to sensitive data to authorized personnel through username, password or biometric authentication. Data encryption. Encrypt sensitive data to prevent it. Data governance policies. Create company-wide rules that govern how data is captured, stored and accessed. Multiple data backup. Create multiple backup of data to protect against loss due to power outage, natural disasters or employee errors. Database locking. Complete all data management activities before locking the database. Database design. The clinical software application that are built to comply with regular requirement. Regulatory compliance. Ensure clinical trials are legal and transparent and promote trust among study participant. Decentralized clinical trial. Use remote patient monitoring and telehealth to capture data from patient homes. Data security and privacy are essential component of customer data management CDM. Here are some ways to ensure data security and privacy in CDM. Implement security measures. Use encryption, access control and regular security audits. Comply with data protection regulation. Follow data protection regulation like the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) and the California Consumer Privacy Act. establish data governance policies, create guidelines for how data is collected, stored and managed, use of customer data management platforms, and use automated tools. Use tools that can quickly scan and identify sensitive data. Thank you.